Engineers can build a structure the size of a skyscraper in the middle of the ocean without ever pouring concrete underwater. Sounds impossible, but here's exactly how they pull it off. First, they don't build it in the ocean at all. Every major piece gets constructed on land in massive dry docks near the coast. Steel legs, platforms, entire sections get welded together piece by piece, sometimes taking years before anything touches water. Once it's ready, the whole structure gets loaded onto a barge or floated out using its own buoyancy. Tugboats then tow it, sometimes for hundreds of miles, out to its exact location marked by GPS coordinates. This is where it gets wild. To anchor it, crews use giant hydraulic hammers to drive steel piles straight into the seafloor, some driving down over 300 feet into rock and sediment. For deeper water, engineers use tension leg platforms instead, anchoring the structure with steel cables pulled tight against the ocean floor, letting it float while staying almost perfectly still. Remote submarines and specialized divers handle every underwater connection, since human divers can't survive at those depths. So that platform sitting in open ocean, it was never actually built at sea. It was built on land, floated out, then pinned down by machines strong enough to punch through solid rock beneath the waves.